Good afternoon, everyone. We are the Chapter 5 reporter. We are going to discuss the types of objective tests, how to create a table of specifications and its importance, and rules and guidelines to construct a specific objective test together with Ma'am Precious Zamora and Ma'am Queenie Sanlad. The types of objective tests. We have the true or false test, the multiple choice type of items, matching items, enumeration and filling of the blanks, and we have the essays. During our elementary, high school, and college days, we have already encountered this type of objective test. So, nakafamiliar na taanin ng mga exam. Next is planning a test and construction of table of specifications, or what we call the TOS. First is we need to identify the test objectives. Next is deciding on the type of objective test to be prepared. Kuan ba siya, true or false, multiple choice ba siya, matching items. Next is preparing a table of specifications. Next is constructing the draft test items, and next is tryout and validation. In identifying test objectives, each objective consists of a statement of what is to be achieved. The following are the typical objectives. These are the common objective na ginagamit sa mga teacher. We have the knowledge, comprehension, application, analysis, and synthesis or evaluation. For example, we want to construct a test on the topic subject-verb agreement in English grade 5 class. So in the knowledge objective, the students must be able to identify the subject and verb in a given sentence. Next is in the comprehension objective, the students must be able to determine the appropriate form of the verb to be used given to the subject of a sentence. Next is in the application objective, the students must be able to write sentences observing the rules on subject-verb agreement. In the analysis objective, the students must be able to break down given sentence into its subject and predicate. And the last one is we have the synthesis or evaluation. The students must be able to formulate rules to be followed regarding the subject-verb agreement. Next is preparing a table of specifications, or what we call the TOS. A table of specifications is a test map that guides the teacher in constructing a test. This this is an example of a table of specifications. We have 5 columns there. These are the level column, objective column, item numbers, number of points, and percentage. Inside the level column we have the knowledge, comprehension, application, analysis, synthesis, or evaluation. In the objective, the students must identify the subject verb in the knowledge level. In the comprehension level, the students must form the appropriate verb forms. Dayon kaning knowledge level makita ni siya sa item numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Then kaning comprehension level sa 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So let's proceed to the next column, the number of points. So ang total number of points sa knowledge level is 5 points. Ang comprehension level is 5 points po. The next column is the percentage. Ang knowledge level nag-equivalent siya og 5 points, which is 16.67% out of the total 100%. So yun sa man ipagkuha ni 16.67%. So number of points divided by the total number of points. So 5 divided by 30 and equals 16.67%. So kaning nagtotal og 5 points, ang equivalent niya is 16.67%. So naman tayo upat ka 5 points, nabod tayo upat ka 16.67%. Kaning number 5, 10 points man siya, equivalent siya og 33.32%. Kung i-add nato ning 5, makakuha ta og 100%. Next, table of specifications. TOS ensures that there is a balance of easy and difficult items. Next is constructing the draft test items. As a general rule, it is advised that the actual number of items to be constructed in the draft should be double the desired number of items. For instance, if there are 5 knowledge level items to be included in the final test form, then at least 10 knowledge level items should be included in the draft. The purpose of having 10 knowledge level items in the draft is to eliminate many of the constructed items. It's either they are too difficult, too easy, or non-discriminatory. The last one is the tryout and validation. The test draft is tried out to a group of pupils or students. So diri na i-apply sa teacher ang iyang gibuhat na test questionnaire sa iyang pupils or students. The next reporter will be Ma'am Precious Zamora. She will discuss the rules and guidelines in constructing true or false test and matching type questions. Thank you.